friends, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. By using this channel, I created so many educational videos based on the subject Maths, and in today's video we are just learning about Vedic Maths. So Vedic Maths is a different kind of Maths, but not which you are learning in our daily lives and what we are learning in school, and this kind of Maths which we never taught in the schools or in the colleges. We never taught this. So why Vedic Maths we are using? Because to make our calculations faster. So what you may get a doubt that what is the reason if my calculation will get faster, what will happen? Simple friends, if you want to score full out of full marks, 100 out of 100% in mathematics subject particularly, just you have to follow this. Okay, so without getting late, we'll just start the video. Before starting the topic, I just want to ask you one thing. Please share, like, subscribe my channel. So friends, in the previous classes we just learned that how to multiply a 2-digit by 2-digit, and also we learn about grid method multiplication also. Very simple. To make the multiplications faster and to score good marks in mathematics, we'll follow this. So now in today's class we are learning about square of numbers ending with 5. And you know friends, for this you have a special name in Vedic Maths in Sanskrit language, that is Ekadikaina Purvena. Means is nothing but one more than the previous. So in this, the rules to multiply this one is very simple friends, and you know, by seeing the number only you can just simply say the answer. 5 5s are 25. How fast you are saying? The same way, if you just by seeing the question itself, you can say the answer is very easily. As you all know that 5 5s are 25. And friends, remember one thing, when you are going to apply this rule is the number should be same and it should end with 5. So for example, the question will be like this: 15 into 15. Here the numbers are same and the two numbers are ending with 5. So what is the first step is you should multiply the last two digits, that is nothing but 5 5s are 25. And now what you should do is, with this number you should multiply one more than this, means just add 1 for this. 1 2s are 2. So the answer is 225. For example, 45 into 45. So we'll multiply the last two digits and we'll write here. And instead of this taking 4, next number to 4 means 4 into 5, that is 20. Yes, this rule can be applicable for so many things. I'll just show you. 75 into 75. So as we all know that just simply multiplying these two numbers we can get it easily. Sorry, 75 into 75. So we all know that we are multiplying the last two digits, that is 5 5s are 25 and 7 8s are 56. And not only this, you can even do it for numbers like after 100 also. So 5 5s are 25, 10 9s are 90. After 100 also you can do it, means 105 into 105. For this one is common, but instead of taking single digit, just consider two digits. So 10 11s are 110. That is the only change here you are going to apply for this. So I'll just say one more example, that is 125 into 125. You'll get 12 13s are how much? 156. So 15,625. In the same way, we'll apply for one more thing. Okay, more than 100 we'll see now. 215 into 215. So common, 21 and 22s are how much we'll see? 21 into 22. So it is a 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. We'll follow this. 2 2s are 4 and cross multiplication. 2 2s are 4 plus 2 6 and 2 1s are 2. So here you just apply two types of Vedic Maths methods. One is 2-digit by 2-digit number and the other one is the numbers which are ending with 5. So 42 into 43. So we will apply here Vedic Maths. 4 4s are 16. Now cross. 4 3s are 12 plus 4 2s are 8. 12 plus 8 is 20 and 3 2s are 6. So again here you will get a balancing rule and the 0 will come as it is. 16 plus 2 is 18. 180625. Okay. So in this way you are going to get square of the numbers, but remember one thing, the last two numbers when you are going to apply this rule is if the last two numbers are 5 and the two numbers, the same numbers, multiplier and multiplicand should be seen, then you can apply this rule. I hope you all understand this. Thank you for listening.